Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. So you might have encountered the error, the app you're trying to install is not a Microsoft verified app. This video is addressing that, and we're going to show you how to fix it in just a couple minutes. Now before we jump into that, if you're interested in your own copy of Windows 10, Windows 11, or other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll have links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so this video is addressing how to fix this error on Windows 11. If you want to see the Windows 10 version of this video, click the link right here. Alright, so first off, I'm going to grab a Chrome download from the internet, and we're just going to show you guys what the error looks like. Alright, so I just clicked to install Chrome. Here's the error I'm getting. To help protect your PC, we suggest you get a Microsoft verified app. So we can actually change the setting within this menu. If you're on Windows 11, the 22H2 update or higher. So let's see what happens when we click that. So we can see we're brought to installed apps under the settings menu, but I don't actually see the feature to change it. So let me just show you guys how to manually change this setting. So we'll click to the Windows Start menu. We'll open up our settings. We'll go over to apps and then advanced app settings. At the top, we have an option called choose where to get apps. And we're going to change this to anywhere but warn me, anywhere but let me know if there's a comparable app, or just anywhere. Now, these each have their own varying levels of security, so do your due diligence and pick whichever one is best for you. Now, if I go back over here to my files and to downloads and we open up Chrome, we can see we have the normal setup wizard, and we could go ahead and take care of that from here. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions, drop those in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, if you're interested in picking up your own copy of Windows 10 or Windows 11 Professional, check out Indigo Software. We'll have links in the description box below. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.